The double valve aspirator is one of MedGyn's most versatile products. It is used in uterine aspiration and evacuation in both gynecologic and obstetric settings. Each aspirator is latex-free and individually packaged and sterilized for single use, meaning there's no need for reprocessing. The double valve aspirator pairs with a wide range of MedGyn curettes. It fits karman cannulas from 4 to 12 millimeters and small-based rigid straight and rigid curved cannulas from 6 to 14 millimeters. The finger and thumb control makes stopping and restarting suction simple. For versatility and ease of use, there's no product better suited than the MedGyn double valve aspirator. To learn more about MedGyn's double valve aspiration kit and to see our other product lines, visit www.medgyn.com.